Want to make your BingX account more secure? Adding your phone in 2026 only takes a minute, and it can help protect your account with login verification and security alerts. Open the BingX platform and log into your account. Next, tap your profile icon and head to Security Settings or Account Security. Look for the phone verification or bind phone number option and select it. Choose your country code, enter your mobile number, and request a verification code. Once you receive the SMS code, enter it into the app or website and confirm the verification. After successful verification, your phone number will be linked to your BingX account and can be used for login confirmations, withdrawals, and additional security checks. For even stronger protection, consider enabling two-factor authentication alongside your phone verification. And that's how you can add or link your phone number on BingX in 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more BingX tutorials and crypto security tips.